Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your information with Mailchimp, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your information with Mailchimp, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the account icon located at the lower left corner. Click on Account from the drop-down menu. Select Security from the options presented. Here, you can enable two-factor authentication for added security. This feature requires a verification code in addition to your password during login. Next, configure your password settings. Ensure you use a strong, unique password containing letters, numbers, and symbols. Regularly update your password for extra security. Now, review your API keys under the Extras section. Regenerate any old or unused API keys to prevent unauthorized access. Be cautious about sharing API keys, as they provide access to your account. Next, frequently monitor your account activity. Look for any suspicious logins or changes to your settings. If you notice anything unusual, change your password immediately. Use tags to organize your audience while keeping sensitive information safe. Ensure compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR. Implement double opt-in for your sign-up forms. Ensure your mailing lists are secure by restricting access. Limit who can view or manage your audience data within your organization. When sending campaigns, use the preview and test features. This helps ensure you're not accidentally revealing sensitive information. Regularly audit your email templates for any personal data. Finally, educate your team about data protection practices. Conduct training on recognizing phishing scams and secure information sharing. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your information with Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.